Cooking gas is one of the most important expenses in every home. But small changes in our cooking habits can help reduce gas usage and save money. In this video, let's look at 10 simple tips to save LPG gas while cooking. Tip 1. Cook with a lid on the pot. Cooking with a lid traps heat inside the pot and helps food cook faster. This reduces cooking time and saves LPG gas. Tip 2. Use pressure cooker. Using a pressure cooker is one of the best ways to save cooking gas. Foods like lentils, beans, and rice cook much faster under pressure. Tip 3. Soak grains and lentils. Before cooking, soaking rice, beans, and lentils before cooking helps them soften. This reduces cooking time and saves gas. Tip 4. Adjust the flame to match the pot size. If the flame spreads beyond the pot, gas is being wasted. Always adjust the flame to match the size of the utensil. Tip 5. Use flat-bottom utensils. Flat-bottom utensils distribute heat evenly. This helps food cook faster and uses less gas. Tip 6. Cut food into smaller pieces. Smaller pieces of vegetables and meat cook more quickly. This reduces cooking time and saves gas. Tip 7. Use the right burner size. Using the correct burner size is important. A small pot on a large burner can waste gas. Tip 8. Keep gas burners clean. Dirty burners can block the flow of gas and reduce flame efficiency. Cleaning burners regularly helps maintain proper heat. Tip 9. Turn off the gas a few minutes early. Turn off the gas a few minutes before food is fully cooked. The remaining heat will finish cooking the food. Tip 10. Plan. Cooking efficiently. Cooking multiple dishes at the same time can save both time and gas. Efficient cooking habits help reduce energy use in the kitchen. Saving LPG gas is easy when we follow simple cooking habits. Small changes in the kitchen can help reduce energy usage and save money over time.